Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix the Steam game not launching issue when Steam gets stuck on verifying the executable. First, open the Steam client and go to your library. Find the game that is not launching, then right-click on it and select Properties. In the left menu, click Installed Files. Now click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will scan all the game files and compare them with the official files. If any files are missing or corrupted, Steam will automatically download and replace them. Wait until the verification process is completely finished before trying to launch the game again. If the problem continues, go back to the Installed Files section and click Browse. This will open the game installation folder. Find the game's executable file, right-click it, and choose Properties. Open the Compatibility tab and check the option called Run this program as an administrator. Click Apply and then OK. The last step is to clear Steam's download cache. Open Steam, click Steam in the top left corner, then choose Settings. Go to Downloads and click Clear Cache. Steam will ask you to sign in again after the cache is cleared. Log back into your account and let Steam finish loading. Now launch your game and check if the issue has been fixed. Thanks for watching.